Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a bead unboxing from a place that I haven't purchased from before. So I actually bought from them on Etsy, but now I'm seeing they have a website, and I always love going to people's websites over Etsy. And this one has an incentive too, so 10% less than Etsy, which is great. So this is the Bead Bungalow. I'm going to be super honest. I was doing some retail therapy when I was in the hospital, and I was just looking at beads all the time, so I don't really remember what I got. So let's take a look. Let's take a look and see what's going on in here. I just got some Czech glass because, of course, I'm obsessed. And I don't even know why I did that because I'm going to Tucson Friday, and I'm going to buy a bunch of beads there. But I couldn't wait. And this is partially the reason why, because hello, orange Czech beads. We know we love those on this channel. Super gorgeous. Melons. Beautiful. So lovely. We have some larger whole melons. It's like 10 pieces. Super gorgeous. They're matte teal-y turquoise color. I gotta tell you, I was just like, oh, okay, I'll buy these. I was just not, I don't know. I was just doing what bead hoarders do, I guess. These are gorgeous. These are faceted fire polish rounds, Parisian turquoise with bronze Picasso fire polished, 6mm. I just really thought that was such a cool color combo because I don't think I have those, which is surprising because I have a bajillion colors of fire polished. Really love these daisy spacers, and I love that they're like an antique looking silver. Super cute. I think this was one of the reasons why I purchased from this shop, because I liked the thought of getting a mixed bag color of these sunflowers or daisies or whatever they are, because I didn't want a whole bunch of them. I just wanted enough to make like maybe some earring pairs. So there's a nice purple, a yellow, a darker mustard, brown mustard yellow, and then a red. So that was really fun. They had like orange and turquoise, but I didn't want a whole bunch, especially because I'm going to Tucson. So I just wanted to kind of get a taste of that flower because they're so pretty. You know, sunflowers are one of my favorites. Daisies are my others. So love those. These are gorgeous. These are English cut, 8mm. These are called tea green. With a metallic green finish, sea green shimmer. So they're so pretty. This is actually two. The 10 piece, they sell them by 10 pieces, and I got two, so they just gave me a whole strand of 20. Super lovely. Those are my favorite so far. And then I got these tiny blue seed beads. They're lapis blue. They're faceted, so they've got like a table cut edge. They also call them royal blue with a light Picasso. Just thought they were so funny. Fun. They're 50 pieces, and I really just liked that they had a faceted edge on them. This was another reason I purchased from this shop. I love these pink daisies, or whatever they are. They have some, that's not the price that was on these. These were $5.99, and they are just so fun. So fun. Table cut daisies. I don't have a lot in this style, if any. I think this is a newer one, and I love the AB. I haven't seen that AB on a table cut bead like that before. And then two more. I got these yellow, like mustard daisy spacers with a brown wash. Super gorgeous. Love those. I just love Czech daisy spacers. And more English cut beads. These are opaque beige with full Picasso finish. So super duper fun. Beautiful order. So happy with it. I'll probably be ordering from them again. Not that I need to, but I'll put their information. This is not an affiliate. They're not paying me or anything. This is just beads that I bought out of my own money and wanted to see what they had. So super excited about my order. Check them out. Tell them I sent you. And I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Hi. Bye-bye. How you doing, bunny? You just being a cutie pie? Yeah. Of course you are. You are a cutie pie. We love you.